Hello, Rev Ray here with Spiritual Lessons from Traveling. And I am once again in Paris, and I am in the subway or the metro. That's what they call it here. And it is a mess. If you've ever been on the Paris metro, you know. But all you really need to know is what your next step is. So, like here, this is the exit sign. You just follow it. I mean, you may go up and down and over and back and forth in all sorts of crazy ways that doesn't make sense to you, but you'll get where you're trying to go. And it's sort of like in life, in our spiritual journey, our life journey, we only need to know the next step. That's all we need to know. Just follow the signs. And if they're not clear, wait or try it. And if you're wrong, you can always just follow some new signs. Yay! We did it. We got out of the metro. All you have to do is follow the signs. Sort of like life that way. And if you don't know what's the right sign for you, well, prayer, meditation, ask a spiritual coach. Take some time. Trust your inner wisdom. But here's the thing. Even though it doesn't necessarily make sense, you can just trust. Because the exit signs in the metro are always going to work. And the signs, the clear guidance, but what's yours to do is always going to work too.